I'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern, centrally located, brand new 4-bedroom townhome development for sale located here in Taguig City. This property is just 10 minutes away from Bonifacio Global City with fast access towards South Luzon Expressway, C5, and Makati. Now let's go. We're gonna take a look at this first unit right here. Through the gate, you have your carport area for 2 vehicles. Now, this property has a total floor area of 330 square meters and a total lot area of 127.5 square meters. Your parking area has a mix of load-bearing tiles and gravel wash for the flooring. Nice high ceiling. You already have a faucet and an outlet right here. And here we go towards your main door. So this property just finished construction. That's why we still have some materials here that are gonna get cleared out. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Welcome to your living space. And the first thing that I noticed is the high ceiling, giving you a much more open feel. In terms of the space, you can easily have a sofa right here and your television set on this side. You also have your large window giving you natural light for the entire space and a nice view of your parking area as well. You have large format tiles, and what stands out for this property is this central amenity area, which is a Lightwell and a rock garden. Let's go. You have sturdy PVC windows right here, which slide open. This area has 2 main functions. First is ventilation, which is why you have windows for the 2nd and 3rd level right here. So you have natural air flowing here. And if you open up the sliding door, the air can flow from your living space all the way to your dining and kitchen area. And let's head back in. You can also potentially have a garden right here if you want to replace this with grass or even artificial turf grass just to have a different look and feel. But those are just ideas. Right now, this is already a nice, unique setup. And here's another nice feature here. You can have the screen right here so you can keep insects and mosquitoes out but still have that airflow. And let me point out once again, you have, instead of a cramped looking hallway, you have such an open feel. And you even have that screen right here below, so you can still have airflow here at the hallway space. And of course, for your guests' convenience, you have your powder room right here, maximizing the area underneath the stairs. And now, let me welcome you to your dining and kitchen space. Your dining area is defined by your cove lighting right here. And let me point out once again the ceiling height of your amenity areas. You can have a nice modern light fixture right here. And this space is large enough to accommodate a table for 6 or even 8 people. And on this side, you have your modern kitchen. And you have natural lighting coming from 2 sides of the room, from here and from the light well, and even from the large window in the living space. Instead of having a normal wooden door right here, you have this glass door to maximize the light. And here we are at your service area where you have a countertop, a sink, a water cistern storage right here. This is where you can have your laundry space, and you have a provision here to potentially have a bathroom and to convert this into an enclosed space for a staff room. So that's up to you. But it's very nice to have that option for this property. Now we're back here in your dining space. I really appreciate this design aspect. And on this side, you have your staircase with natural wood leading up to the second level. Let's go. To add to the open feel, instead of having this enclosed, the designers placed this metal vertical design so that you still have a view of the Lightwell and the hallway space. And the spacing is nice so that kids and pets can fit through here. And in terms of safety, you have a handrail on this side with nice lighting as well to add an elegant touch. Now, welcome to the second level of this home, and let's now explore your first bedroom. I love the size of the rooms in this property. This is excellent even if you have adult family members who are going to be staying here, because you can have a large bed, you have built-in storage already. You have a wooden design for the flooring and a nice desk area right here. This would make for a nice study area or work from home space. And in terms of the view, you have a lot of greenery at the back of the house. Of course, we can't give you the exact view for the privacy of the owners of this property, but it's a nice relaxing view. And here we have your ensuite bathroom. For the fixtures, you have Bravat branded fixtures for the sink, the faucet, and the toilet. And you also have a built-in rainfall shower head from the ceiling. Okay, let's go. And the unique design of this property once again comes into play right here with this large floor-to-ceiling window giving you a view of the Lightwell. You don't even need to turn on the hallway lights during the daytime. And right here you have your second bedroom, which is your primary or master bedroom. Welcome to your primary bedroom, and from this angle you can see the size of this room. You have this initial space right here which can be maximized for storage. You can have a shoe rack right here, and then this is the main space of the bedroom. You can have a television set on this side, and then a king-sized bed with plenty of space left over for nightstands on both sides. You also have a large window for natural lighting. And I like that the ceiling height is maintained for the second level. And you also have your walk-in closet space right here, already built into the wall. And here you have your bathroom. The difference of this bathroom from the previous one is, of course, a larger space, a larger countertop, a bigger mirror as well, and you have two rainfall shower heads right here, one built into the ceiling and one into the wall, and two windows also for ventilation. Once again, Bravat branded for the fixtures. third level has your third bedroom, your fourth bedroom, and a nice pleasant surprise. Let's go! Welcome to the third level of this home. And as I mentioned before, you once again have your well-lit hallway space, care of your Lightwell. And this is the surprise feature of this home. You have a third level family den area. Let's go! So on top of your living space downstairs, you can have your family up here, giving you total privacy. You have cove lighting right here. You can have a completely new living room set on this side while you're entertaining guests in the ground level. And another nice idea is, if you'd like to have a fifth enclosed space for this home, you can potentially have a sliding door right here or close this area off. It would be a smaller room, but this would be a nice home office setup as well. That's just an idea, but it's nice to know that you have that option. But right now, this is already a fantastic setup. And having this large window towards the Lightwell once again gives you such a well-lit space. And right here you have your third bedroom. Here we have your third bedroom. Once again, quite a sizable room with a large window for ventilation and lighting. And you already have this area where you can have an entertainment console, built-in storage. You can have even a queen-sized bed right here with space left over for a desk on this side. And if you're thinking, where's the bathroom of the third bedroom? It's right here. So this bathroom is dual purpose. This can be the bathroom of the third bedroom, but you can access it from the family den space, so that guests can also use it. But here's an idea: if you want to have more privacy for the occupant of the third bedroom, you can potentially have a barrier right here or an additional door here, just so that the occupant of the third bedroom is not exposed to the people here in the den area if he or she is going towards the bathroom. So that's just an idea, but it's nice that the designers of the home put that in mind while laying out the space. And here's another nice touch. Instead of having like tempered glass right here, the designers made sure that this is already a cement barrier. Because this is a family den area, you could potentially have some kids running around here, and it's nice that this is very safe. Okay? And right here you have your fourth bedroom. Welcome to the fourth bedroom. And this has a nice layout in terms of a work from home space with additional storage right here and on this side. Once again, a large room where you can have even a king-sized bed with space left over for additional storage right here. And once again, a nice relaxing view. And of course, your ensuite bathroom. This bathroom has a gray tile design, floor to ceiling, and I like how pulido the finish is. Very nice workmanship. And Bravat branded once again for the fixtures. And that caps off this house tour of this brand new 4-bedroom townhome development for sale located near Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. Additional note, we left some of the sliding doors open and the windows throughout the property a while ago, and I love how well ventilated this property is. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us to Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature to our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.